Ghana's main airport, the Kotoka International Airport, has been closed to passenger flights since March 22, 2020, although cargo transport is allowed, as well as special passenger services such as the evacuation of Ghanaians outside the country. This was part of measures taken by the government to curb the spread of the novel coronavirus in the country. One of the sectors that has felt the brunt of the closure of the borders is one of Ghana's major marketplace for auto parts and accessories, the Abossey Okai Spare Parts Dealers Association. The industry has seen a massive dip in business since March 2020. However, during President Akufo-Addo's 15th address to the nation on Sunday, 16th August 2020, he stated that the Ministry of Aviation, the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority, and the Ghana Airports Company Limited had been working with the Ministry of Health and its agencies to ascertain the country's readiness to reopen the airports. He stated that the outcome of that exercise would determine whether the country's airspace could be reopened commercially by the 1st of September. Following this announcement, there appears to be hope for some spare parts dealers who mostly import from China, Dubai, and the United States. Co-chairman of the Abossey Okai Spare Parts Dealers Association, Clement Boateng, says the opening of the borders will see a huge influx of goods, which will lead to a reduction in prices.
I think it's a welcome news. It's a welcome news to the entire business community in Ghana. Regarding cargo, even when we were under restrictions, cargo was still coming in both by air and then by sea. But like I told you, that most of our people do consolidation. It is good that the airport is going to be open, and if the airlines start flying here, then we will get the opportunity of flying over there to make purchases ourselves, and then bring the goods here, and that will also contribute in the reduction of prices.
For Madam Brenda Morrison, she believes that the opening of the borders by air will not have much impact on the operations.
As with those who will have to travel out to bring their goods, they are the people who have problems, because for me in particular, we've been working with our company for over 30 years. What happens is that we are able to send payments, they prepare our product and they send it. So we don't necessarily have to travel, and our products come from South Korea. But those who have to go themselves to China and to other European countries to bring their products, they are the people who are going to suffer. But those, I'm not the only person. There are quite a number of us who just have to send our transfers and then the products come in.
She also stated that it will not also affect the prices of goods.
For increase in prices, I don't really see that much. We here normally, our price increases, the most determinant factor is the dollar rate. So, and currently now the dollar has really come down. It keeps coming down. So it won't be a case for us. It won't be a case of price increase.
Her stance was reiterated by Kwesi Poku, another spare parts dealer.
It will depend upon the rate too, the duty and the dollar rate. If it comes down, prices will also come down. But the mere opening of the border will not determine the prices. The prices would be determined by the duty and that of the dollar rate. That will determine the prices.
But Kofi Apa is appealing to government to tread cautiously, as the move could lead to an increase in the country's COVID-19 cases.
Nigeria for ne Togo for ne Benin for ne Cote d'Ivoire for nyina be shia market adin sa hoso no e no so ade ba ko so a esaye hu kakra tie ho no so no penifo e bia e mo hwe ekwan be fa so a like omu bie boda na ho ne ba oman mu a e man so ntimi nya ale ni ba na se man ale no ensa ma te se de first and it's
Though the COVID-19 pandemic is having a devastating effect on most of the businesses here at Abossey Okai, there seems to be a glimmer of hope for most of the businesses following the President's announcement of the reopening of the borders. For Citi Business News, Nettie Linete reporting.